Hi friends, hope you are all doing well. Today again I have come up with certain other important word combinations. Before starting today, let me give you a few reasons why you should learn the way I tell you. The very first thing is they are high frequency words most frequently used in our everyday English. Another thing is you are getting the naturally occurring word combinations we use every day when we talk to the people. Another reason is this gives you power to express your thoughts, ideas, and feelings exactly the way you want to convey to your listener or to your audience. Also, they work like a pre built wall section. You just put them together to build your house quickly. So, let's see today how many words we are going to learn and how their combinations can be formed. So, first word today is people. Common people, busy people, elderly people, famous people, interesting people, nice people, ordinary people, sick people, strange people, unemployed people. Next word is performance. Brilliant performance, great performance, excellent performance, tremendous performance, remarkable performance, solid performance, strong performance, wonderful performance, overall performance, poor performance. Another word is person. Capable person, different person, difficult person, happy person, kind person, healthy person, nice person, particular person, responsible person, the right person, the wrong person, the same person, and the last person. Next word is personality. Powerful personality, strong personality, attractive personality, individual personality, complex personality, weak personality. Another word is phase. Critical phase, new phase, temporary phase, important phase, current phase, early phase, initial phase, latest phase, last phase. Another word is philosophy. Basic philosophy, general philosophy, modern philosophy, moral philosophy, natural philosophy, personal philosophy, religious philosophy, simple philosophy, contemporary philosophy. Another word is picture. Beautiful picture, broad picture, clear picture, complete picture, complex picture, detailed picture, full picture, mental picture, true picture, larger picture, the whole picture. Another word is place. Wrong place, safe place, different place, familiar place, great place, nice place, perfect place, popular place, public place, quiet place, secret place, suitable place, empty place, and the same place. Next word is plan. Brilliant plan, corporate plan, future plan, successful plan, immediate plan, alternative plan, original plan, the best plan. Another word is player. Best player, useful player, top player, successful player, professional player, leading player, key player, great player, fine player, and dangerous player. Another word is point. Strong point, technical point, relevant point, key point, major point, nice point, single point, essential point, important point, basic point, central point, and specific point. Another word is policy. Liberal policy, domestic policy, clear policy, economic policy, foreign policy, financial policy, industrial policy, national policy, government policy. And the last word is politician. Favorite politician, popular politician, leading politician, local politician, professional politician, and senior politician. I am very sure, friends, and convinced that if you learn this way, you will be improving your vocabulary, you will be learning the word combinations, and this will enhance your fluency, improve your English language skills. If this video has helped you in any way, then please like and subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends, colleagues, and relatives. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.